How to change Roblox keyboard controls. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'll address your queries regarding altering the Roblox keyboard controls and the possibility of doing so. So whenever you enter an experience and pause a game by hitting escape, you will encounter two relevant options for confirming and adjusting the controls. Under the Help section, you can find the default keybinds for the reference on how to navigate, equip items, and understand the basic game controls. Clicking on any of these options will only display information without allowing you to make changes. While you can use this to understand the functions of each keyboard button in relation to props, you cannot modify them here. Regarding the settings, the only option concerning keyboard controls is the movement mode, when you can switch between the default keyboard click to move or keyboard and mouse mode. Currently, this seems to be the only choices available in the product settings, and as of now, it is not feasible to customize a keybind for the Roblox, such as changing the video recording key from F12 to F10, and unfortunately, Roblox has not provided flexibility to alter the keyboard controls or the keybinds at will. So this is a glaring omission considered its fundamental nature. However, as of today, changing the settings within the Roblox is not an option. The sole relevant choice remains the movement mode. The intention of this video is not to misinform, but to inform viewers that for reasons unknown, Roblox has not incorporated the ability to modify the keyboard controls. Unless a future update addresses this, players will have to adhere to the default keybinds. So if this video has clarified any uncertainties, please consider liking and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.